In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your filters in Gmail. If you've set up filters in Gmail and they're no longer useful, cleaning them out can help keep your inbox organized and make sure new messages aren't getting moved, labeled, or forwarded in ways you don't expect. I'll walk you through it clearly, and you'll be done in just a minute. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. This process works best on a computer, where all settings are easy to see. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right corner and find the gear icon. That's the settings icon. Click it, and a quick settings panel will appear. In that panel, select See All Settings. This opens the full settings page with multiple tabs across the top. On that row of tabs, click the one labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where Gmail keeps all the filters you've created. A filter is simply a rule that tells Gmail what to do with certain messages, like automatically labeling, archiving, or forwarding them. If your inbox hasn't been acting the way you expect, an old filter might be the reason. In the Filters and Blocked Addresses section, you'll see a list of your filters. Each filter shows the conditions it's looking for, such as specific senders or keywords, and the actions it performs. On the far right side of each filter, you'll see a Delete option. When you find a filter you don't need anymore, click Delete. If Gmail asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm to remove that filter. That's all there is to it. Repeat this for any other filters you want to delete. A couple of helpful notes as you do this. Deleting a filter stops it from acting on future incoming mail, but it doesn't change messages that are already in your inbox. If you're unsure what a filter is doing, take a moment to read its conditions and actions in the list before removing it. You can also search your inbox for the terms you see there to understand its impact without changing anything. You'll also notice the same page includes blocked addresses. Those are separate from filters. Be careful not to remove anything there unless you truly want to allow messages from those addresses again. When you're finished, you can close the settings and return to your inbox. That's it. Your unnecessary filters are gone, and your future email will flow without those old rules getting in the way.